So the Bharat gets biggest for the massive that amount of Southeast services and tourism, especially in Maharashtra and tourism, Modi 3.8 with the parts to district Bharat. Hopefully, I'm sure that money will stop shooting fast also. The way to get key to G6 after faculty can have Indians from downstream. Modi with Biden discuss strategic partnership. These things take both and the security that is AI aviation machine strategic concepts and new technology. Imagine that is the powerful unilateral machine specializes with foundry. Authorized structure of the proposed mechanism is very consistent to authorize that there is an active strong body unilateral change of controls and poverty. The quantum dual quantum plans to occur in quantum computation, the new interpretation space of about potential acquisition strategies or by criteria is perspective of technology. India INC class are because of the long the will startup fighting for them running rival hope select Indians defense. No one will both find from destruction transference and the recession. Find destruction to the Indians are leaving for New Zealand alternating European for higher education towards the item. This is a long time and the development studying was also Australians with also some of the jobs and Indians to learn expected to be found fantasy technical category. The looking study abroad expected to give alternate education that could distinguish geography plans from Thailand, New Zealand, and Malta greater number of higher education. However, the increase in technical countries like all short-term support in anticipated and declining for national. So as I have a lot of resources studying in Canada, Australia, and according to the Viber Gupta Chief Marketing Officer of School Connecting Swans online study. I can be expect to approach my one because if you just choose to travel three top countries, this will be required of USA, European destinations such as France, Germany, these European countries, and Canada, or the just about other rules. Curriculum and the topics which are the initiative the curriculum reporting mainly is also basically industry and government collaboration. Strategic partnership Quad Summit focus was on the Indo-Pacific region US Congress led with ingredients for political fighting, reconstructing the distributed Tirupati led to politics. Mm. Mm. 4,800 6,000 weapon loots yet to be recovered. Delhi CM G and former CM BK Mishra calls for expanding insurance coverage across the agri sectors. And Chatula's kingmakers are now battled for survivors. Cool songs in Jammu and Kashmir translate all barriers. Modi in US sharing lessons and shaping the future of Indian ways, the outcomes of UN Quantum International Meeting Essential Accelerator. CBDT notifies date for direct tax dispute resolution. The New Delhi CBDT Saturday notify the rules of forms of taxpayers of availing a Vivek Vishwas scheme paving the way of setting up disputes on July 24 reduce the number of forms to streamline. Okay, banks to set up the efficient monitoring mechanism to handle the pending cases and hopes of earning a revival left to Indian tech firms valuation. India small town, the boom town and auto financing through banks and base 1.5 lease, 1.5 subscription, 0.1 cash, 19.3. 3 years, 5 years, tenure for Mahindra, petrol, retail prices 21 lakhs, loan amount 16 lakhs, down payment 4 lakhs, interest rate 9.15%. Tenure 36 to 1, EMI is 34,000 to 32,000. Interest excess is young growing aspirants of scholarships and government exceed virtual AGM facility for cost. In September 25, top tech institute goes for overhauling AI curriculum, scalable AI solution, and SpiceJet raises 3,000 crores for the domestic overseas investors. A venture capital mutual fund MGM Valacha closes first deal with 4,000 crores. The rapid growing of quantum fuels waves enables tech startups. Many early stage venture capital fund actives evolution investment opportunities for burden ecosystems. Major racial violence and inequality injustice, even though the society, economic, social, radical disparities creating tension, leading to growth in frustration and anger. Violation becomes a force of expression of survival, says the Rai Patel psychologist. Battle fascism, properties of peace and philosophical global welfare will serve outside pulpits with classrooms and mankind keep returning to old death the speed of new battlefield. Martini shaken by AI, the cocktail machines powered by the artificial intelligence are creating a state on the market. They are replacing human bartenders. Mhm. These are all the secrets of dirty martini and classic Negori, the stateful old-fashioned colorful cosmopolitan or the fingertips hands of mixology. What the painting of steel. So the recent aspect of recent incidents, especially reported the theft of a Rasa painting, it makes the Indian art of fraternity relook on how it protects art value. Security, high value, city security, access control, law, insurance, and wealth. Civil services, while the hospital industries are gearing up to care to senior citizens. In the matters, the population of India is 13 million people. And stepping into senior field service and helping others. India's growing and growing population, total population, million senior population, 70%. 2024 and 11% over 7%, 20% population. If you're 20 something in an influencer make you feel like a loser, chill, it's fine. The flashy tips of the online hipsters can make us feel insecure because but there are reasons why one Buffalo won't show up on the podcast shouting. You can make 1 crore in 9 months, you losers. 2 minutes Instagram make you feel more financially inadequate than the US becoming Bengali only child. This is hot tips of crores and never been spending. Yeah, till debt has been done was part of this kindness and groom Pete offered ancient times. Debts are bilateral, knowing us of the shared human nations. Or for the very, very wealthy, it's a poor country. Or for the very, very wealthy, it's a poor country. It's hungry with the glory of super rich and poor. Why do rich kids keep banging luxury cars? No offense, Alexa, there is a picture from the iPhone. My pager, no. My walkie-talkie, no. My radio, no. My bike, no. Ah, okay. Okay. That's our life. The ability to ask species could be found here. So, okay. So cliche that one immediately know it is an offspring of political businessman out there. Israel riots in Lebanon, Gaza killed over 50, with overall airstrike curfew to size 37, 13 women, 6 children, August killed strikes at Gaza and school. Lankan votes for the Prez to steer nation process ready to collapse. Where Iran unveils a new arsenal suspension about Turkey calls on ways to take deterrent steps. Chipmakers, Qualcomm, wage friendly takeover of Intel, content and king, and out of box thinking crucial. Adani Group prefers fresh graduate over readily deployed to talent and short-term experience because more efficient trading in their respective domains in one society. Engineering major L&T will hire 30 entry-level talent to the 15 by 24 introduced by candidates including engineering gratuities and postgraduate CA, CMA, diplomas, and other graduates on a day based on the business and newspapers. It's looking at similar trend. Jayakumar, Chief Finance Officer on LNT. The Vedanta Asiala, Mathura Srinivas, the campus talent pools a fundamental Vedanta very core. We believe that hiring young people talent is opportunity. So our target number will be the same as upcoming placement. Divestment program will continues to focus on the tier one division of IIM, IITs, XLRI, NITs, BTS, and others. Hmm. And focus on the introducing students from new age speculation like AL, MLs, data science, analytical, substantial, supply chain management. Hiring numbers last year. This was going to judiciation mixed talent spotting, visiting two higher campus, including Rome. And the Reliance Industries saw an overall headcount reduction in the financial year. So they're looking for increasing campus in 15% from the class notified and Catalan new building business according to the source. The country's largest companies by marketing value reduce the working force by and near 11 percentage. Employees strength according to this annual report last article online wholesale format of Geo delegate operation of Metro carry cash adequate employees overlap the rules and the FMGC major Darbar India plans maintain and pressure hiring intake and the and this objective of building a solid pipeline and for future leadership for the young talent brings energy in increases of workplace. The age multitasking skills out of box and the crucial address in business and document set the HR will complement appreciate. Students on the industries, especially the light of traffic technology and logical distribution across stages. Open consultation. Several new properties abroad, change in trend, materially, another distributes along in the steps. Um, Trekpan, Shaha, Raki, Chini, motherboard. The long shot, the long form of video content is thriving in the world in a big size and really gaining marketing attention. Mamta Dor and Himachi look shop they explore the few of education, podcast, gamers, comedians, and gadget explore making journey and content, nano, micro, macro, and 26% brand spending 47% Facebook and influential marketers speeding to grow 4% and Karag and refined framework being total content creators recently, yes. But, yes, so with their mobile phone or television streams are one way platform, especially Gen Z feel like it's for mm, recording influencers and marketing reports. Source of decoding influencers to have influencers, market report by influence. There is a fee such as views at the end of the month is paid in the total revenue generated by the videos. The 50% of revenue the creators actual reach that are depending upon the brand and creators. Looking ahead. Mitchell bites Meta beats a lawsuit over the Apple privacy tech firms blast EU decisions on Meta specific privacy fragment on data intelligence. Okay, and Microsoft BlackRock team raises 100 billion for the AI data centers. Meaning holistic operation of the first is not just a physical bonus but strategy thinking, mental acuity, the era of digital competition. The nation bringing her raw talent, India could become the dominant force in the sport era. The stone eaters that threatens Iran's Asian Persipos. It is a world tour of Coach Potatoes, a five international fleet features stories span continents and regions. The hypothesis, the practice, has accumulated a body of deception, profound comedy, and for the past 5 years of exploring of the three comedy everyday human relationship. Practice follows the way this Look, a fresh look on the Van Bosch last year. This is a final flourish. So lover at the point above Wakasaka. The future. Can my phone tell me smell what's on the other end of the call? Could the Tirupati problem helps clarify the history of key adultery? Ultimately, it is a clash of two seasons of tabletop submission foreigners. Venita helps India straw the US men's which points within this time. Change in one label for the season.